Arable solar ensures uninterrupted power under all growing conditions. Remove the bolts and wing nuts from the rear of the panel. The solar panel should face east and be mounted 20 centimeters below the Mark II device with the red cord on top. After mounting the panel, replace the bolts, firmly tightening the wing nuts in place. Then connect the panel to the black port on the bottom of the Mark II using the red supplementary cable. Arable Bridge is an accessory device that allows the Mark II to connect to third-party auxiliary sensors, such as soil moisture probes, anemometers, and pressure switches. Arable Bridge should be mounted between the solar panel and the Mark II on the opposite side of the pole from the Mark II's sensor lenses. Remove the bolts and wing nuts from the rear of the bridge and install on the pole with the Arable logo upright. Tighten the bolts and nuts so that the bridge is snug on the pole. Plug the solar panel into the red cord attached to the left side of the bridge. The black cable that extends from the right side of the bridge plugs into the bottom of the Mark II. Verify connection to Mark II by pressing the button on top of the Mark II to illuminate the LEDs inside the bridge. There may be a short delay. For troubleshooting, frequently asked questions, and written installation instructions, visit our website arable.com or contact our customer success team at support@arable.com. You can also log into your account at app.arable.com and message our team by clicking the orange Help button at the bottom of the screen.